Hello everyone, this is a test to prove the watches are silver or not silver. So the example here is a RADO watch. It's known as Silver Fancy and it is a solid silver. So it will say in the case back silver. It's not stainless steel, so it's all made of a single piece of solid silver, including the case back. So the case back as well is made of solid silver, and today I'm going to prove this. So what we have here is our watch, a control silver ring, and this is made of sterling silver, and a stainless steel watch, just to show how it is different in testing from the silver watch. So what I'm testing here is the RADO watch and a ring, and usually for this RADO watch you will see the engraving in the case back mentioning either silver or silver 925. Whether it's a silver 925 or no, but it is silver. The ring I have here is sterling silver 925, as you see here, and the other watch that I brought as a control, it is stainless steel, and it's clearly mentioned in the case back it's stainless steel, as well as the bracelet is stainless steel. What I also got here is the testing fluid, which is the amber fluid used for testing silver, and this is different types of fluids used, and I'm using the amber fluid used to test silver. And this is a graphite stone known to jewelry makers. So what I'm going to do is to scrape some metals. To start with the case back of the watch that we know it is silver, and we are going to prove that. So this is the scraping I'm doing here. Good amount of metal. Also the part of the bracelet, which is silver, I took off the clasp of the watch because these are steel, so I'm not going to test this. I'm going to test the bracelet itself, which is made of solid silver, and I'm going to leave some scraping of the metal here. Okay. And the third scraping will be for the ring, the sterling silver ring. And the fourth scraping will be for the stainless steel watch, and I will do scraping from the stainless steel bracelet. I hope this is enough, and it is clear that we have a scraping of all of the three metals. So this is from the watch case back, and this is from the watch bracelet, this is from the ring, and this is from the stainless steel watch. So let's get our testing fluid and drop So I'm leaving a drop of of the testing fluid on each of the scraping. To see if it is reactive or no. Usually silver will react as leaving red residue, and stainless steel will not react. So I will leave it for a second. I think it's starting to show clearly the different color, as you see. You can definitely tell which is red and which is not reactive. And because I like close-up photos, I will show you how it looks from short distance. So this is the first scraping, as you see. I think this is very dark red, and this was the scraping from the case back. The second scraping is the scraping from the watch bracelet. Again, shows a red reaction with red residue. The third scraping was that of the silver ring, and it shows red residue. The fourth scraping from the stainless steel watch bracelet, which is a stainless steel, and that's why it shows no reaction and no residue. Let me take test papers and show you how it looks like. As the acid will evaporate, it should leave the residue on the paper, and you will be able to tell which is which. So starting with the one from the watch case back, leave it here, and the second scraping, the one from the watch bracelet, leave it here, and the third one from the silver ring, that we know it's a silver ring. And the third one will be from the stainless steel watch, and I will leave the filter papers here. So these are the papers as they are drying out, and we'll check them from a short distance later on. So let's have another quick close-up look on the graphite stone and how the three scrapings look under the sun. So first one is the one from the case back, and it shows red residue here, as you see. The second one is from the watch bracelet, and it shows red residue. The residue will become clearer as the acid evaporate, by the way. The third is from the metal, from the silver ring with red residue, as you see. The fourth one is from the watch bracelet of the stainless steel watch, and the stainless steel will leave no residue and no reaction, just the amber yellow color of the acid that will evaporate soon. And let's have a look at the papers as they are evaporating the acid. we can have a quick look also. These are not fully evaporated, but you can definitely tell. So the first one is from the watch case back, and you can see the red residue on the amber background. This means it is silver. The second one from the watch bracelet, it shows red residue. Again, this is silver. The third one was from the control silver ring, which shows exactly similar red residue, positive for silver. The fourth one, the one from the stainless steel watch bracelet, shows no red residue. So this is stainless steel and it shows no reaction to the amber testing fluid. Okay, so these are our results. Here you go. It's now hard to tell, but I think it's clear which one is red and which one is not red. So this was from the watch case back, and the second was from the silver watch bracelet. So this is silver. The third was from the silver ring, and the fourth was from the stainless steel watch. I hope that was helpful, and if you are in doubt, show this to your jeweler or watchmaker. I think they will be familiar with what I am telling. Here we are again after the acid evaporated. So I think you can see clearly the first one from the watch case back showing just red residue, the same as the second one for the watch bracelet, and the third one for the silver ring. The one that doesn't react and doesn't show red residue was the one from the stainless steel watch, and it shows no red residue. So I'm going to show you close-up view of each of these again. So this is the first one, the second one from the bracelet of the silver watch, the third one from the silver ring, and this is the fourth one from the stainless steel watch. Definitely no red residue. And let's have a look at the graphite stone. Again, this is the first scraping of the watch case back, definitely red residue still there. The same for the watch bracelet of the silver watch, red residue clearly still there. Red residue from the silver ring still there with some acid not evaporated yet. And the last one is from the stainless steel silver, the stainless steel watch, just scraping of the metal and no reaction with the testing fluid still amber and no red residue. Thank you everyone, I hope this was helpful and hope it can make you feel comfortable when buying these RADO silver watches.